Hello and welcome to TechScript video tutorial on how to create a new web application in SharePoint 2013. My name is Syed Abdul Khalid. I'm an IT consultant focused on SharePoint technology for many years. Before we move to today's topic, let me introduce my company. TechScript Solutions Inc. was founded in 2008. We are focused in Microsoft technologies, especially in SharePoint, Project Server, and we are moving towards Dynamic CRM. We have provided SharePoint Project Server solutions to big and small companies, including ADP, Capgemini, and through Capgemini, General Motors from various client companies. We are very proud to say we avoid recommending our clients to buy third-party products. Having said that, let's get started on today's topic, how to create a new web application on SharePoint 2013. SharePoint allows you to create new web applications using two approaches. One way is to create it using central administration page, and another way is to create using PowerShell. I'll make sure we cover both scenarios. Let's open a new browser and type the SharePoint 2013 Central Administration Site URL. In my case, I'm going to connect to my dev server central administration site, which is http sp13devca.techscript.com. Once you're logged in, you may see a message indicating the SharePoint Health Analyzer detected some critical issues that require your attention. You may click on View these issues to verify and resolve them. I'm going to ignore it for now because I know the server farm account should not be used for other services. To create a new web application, we click on Manage Web Applications. You can click on Application Management and then click on Web Application, Manage Web Applications, or you can click it from the home page, Manage Web Applications. Then click on New. Provide a unique name. In this case, it will be the port number. I would normally leave the port number as it is, however it can be changed based on organization policies. Let's scroll down. Here we have allow anonymous access and SSL. If you want to give SSL, assign SSL, you can click yes. The recommended authentication is Kerberos. You can select Kerberos. If you don't have Kerberos enabled, it will default to NTLM. You have form-based authentication. You can enable it and provide the configured names for form-based authentication. Right now we don't have it. Sign-in page URL. You can use the default sign-in page. If you have a custom sign-in page developed, you can assign it over here. In my case, I'm going to use a default sign-in. Public URL. When I create a new web application, I leave the default one, and if I need to add more URLs, I do that using alternate access mapping. Application pool. It's better to create a new web application pool for each web application, and the service account that is going to use Database server name, you can use system generated database name. I normally use the same port number in case, and replace the GUID with the port number for the web application. If you have failover database server, you can assign that and enter that failover database server name over here. For services that you want to connect through this web application, you can you choose the default, or you can assign custom. This way you can pick and choose which applications will be connected to this web application. In my case, I'm going to choose the default. And customer experience improvement program, you can enable to yes or leave it no. And that's it. And click OK to create your web application. It will take few minutes because in the background it's creating the SQL database, configuring all the services that will be connected by this web application. Okay, it's taking a little bit longer. Okay, did created the web application. In order to use this web application, we have to create site collections, which we will cover in another topic. Let's see how to create web application using PowerShell. For this, I will log in into my dev server. Let's click OK here. Going to open a remote desktop. Okay, and the script to create a new web application is basically we get the SP authentication provider, and then new dash SP web application with the name of the application, what URL we want to use, what is the application pool name, what is the application pool account, and authentication provider, which is basically we are getting it from SP authentication provider over here. Okay, let's run this command. To open up, the way to open up SharePoint 2013 management shell is basically you click on SharePoint management shell over here, and you can run it as an administrator. To view this option, you right click on this and click run as administrator. Click yes, and once it opens, we can copy the code, paste it here, hit enter, and then we'll copy the new web application, and we are giving it a name, TechScript demo site, and with the port number 3500. Let's see if we have an existing port. Nope, nobody is using 3500. Okay, let's refresh and see. Oh, there it is. TechScript demo site, port number 3500. So as you can see, we have created two web applications over here, one using SharePoint Central Admin and one using PowerShell. So this brings us to the end of our demo. Let's go back to the PowerPoint slides. Here's my LinkedIn profile to connect on LinkedIn. If you guys would like to know more with regards to SharePoint and project server, or have any suggestions on this topic, please don't forget to leave comments, and if you like this video, click on like button. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you soon.